Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. First, go to the FlexStore website and add it to your home screen. I'll also share an easy trick so you can use FlexStore for free. Next, open FlexStore and install the FlexStore profile to link it with your device. Tap Allow, then head over to Settings, select Profile Downloaded, and install the profile. Once installed, your device will be recognized on the FlexStore website. To sign and install IPA files for free, you'll need a free enterprise certificate. In FlexStore, tap Add Certificate. You can download a free enterprise certificate from the link in the video description. After downloading, import it into FlexStore, enter the certificate password, and tap Confirm. Now you can use FlexStore without buying a paid certificate. You can also unlock premium features by using the boost option to earn coins and redeem them for FlexStore Premium. Once everything is set up, you can install any IPA from the FlexStore library or manually sign your own IPA files using the Signer feature. For example, you can upload your own IPA file, either directly from your device or by pasting a download link. After signing is complete, the app will install automatically on your iPhone or iPad. Keep in mind that the free enterprise certificate must still be valid. If it gets revoked, you might see errors like unable to install or unable to verify app. If that happens, check out my other video where I explain how to fix revoked or blacklisted certificates and continue installing IPA files for free. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.